Dust on my dashboard, sun sinking low, field stretching quiet where the cool winds blow. I've worked these hands honest, I've walked these miles slow. Every turn in this county is a road I know. Life ain't loud out here, but it's deep and steady. You learn what matters most when your hands stay ready. It's gravel roads and mercy, front porch lights at night, simple prayers and worn out boots, faith without the spotlight. It's long days and forgiveness, grace that doesn't hurry. I found what keeps me grounded on gravel roads and mercy. I've chased better city dreams, watched them fade away, found more peace in quiet fields than I ever did in praise. There's something about slow mornings, coffee and an open sky. You hear God a little clearer when the world ain't racing by. No stage, no neon glow, just the sound of crickets sing